Hello friends, I am GULL and you are watching my channel Fashion Factory by GULL. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Today video is about long frock dresses and maxis in which you will see different styles and designs of unique frocks and maxis with different color combination and different designs. These frocks you can wear in any occasion and for any season. Let me know in comment section if you want to purchase any dress. I will provide this store link and you will purchase easily from this link. Various colors and design available for any sizes. Watch my video till the end and tell me in comment section what kind of videos you want to see. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my videos with others. And goodbye, take care of yourself.